And we have with us, along with Rudresh, we have Deepak John, who is a dear friend of mine, whom I know for the past 10 years or so. We started our journey long back. We used to be together in our civil service preparation, and from then onwards, our friendship started, and it continued over the years. So to give you a brief background about DJ, he's currently working as a energy policy expert or consultant in a law firm. In a policy firm in UK, and before this he had done his masters from UK, and he's also an MBA. He's done engineering as for graduation, and he has done policy work across different countries, of course India, and then he's done a stint in Myanmar also. More on that, Deepu, over to you. You want to give a brief intro?
Uh, yeah, thank you so much for having me here.
Yeah.
It's a surreal experience because I've always been a passive listener of podcasts, but not an active contributor to any podcast. So it's a unique experience. Jumping back to your question on my background, uh, my journey has been more of taken a non-linear course in as with many of um, my colleagues and peers in India. We started with a very regular track of doing an engineering and going into an MBA and then going the corporate ladder route. But uh, so it's been more of a journey of exploration and trying to figure out what really mattered to you or me in the long run and what kind of work that I wanted to do. So it was that journey that has eventually led me to the UK. I pursued my master's in energy and climate policy, and now I'm working in as a policy consulting for green economy team. Uh, yeah. Uh, for that, I have been mostly situated myself around energy and climate projects.
Yeah.
Back in India, back in India as well, I have been part of the energy development practitioners nonprofit work, and then where me and Gautam had actually been together was more in ISTG, which is again a startup think tank or in Trivandrum. So